check what I just seen. Oh my God. Oh, wepa! Hey, woo! Out there! All right, now. All right, guys. All right, so. All right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Hello, Gunners. Welcome back. Another vlog, another update on Kobe. And today's real important. Today we send the car off to Spoon. It's going to begin the fabrication stage of the build. And I'm in the rig. I'm in the unit. It's back there. You'll see it. I love this trailer, man. It is so light. It's an ATC, full aluminum, LED lighting. I love this trailer. Possibly one of the best investments I've ever made. You know, I don't have to pay for a tow truck anymore. I lease this truck. You know, my overhead isn't crazy on anything. It doesn't need any maintenance. Swapped out, I think, 2 tires. That's it. And it's an absolute unit. So enjoy this vlog. I'm gonna try to make it a real long one. Pause. Got a special guest that's coming with me today. Not someone you see on the channel a lot, but it's gonna be fun. But yeah, sit back and enjoy this ride. At the body shop, and look who's waiting for us, boys. There he is. He's ready to go. This Guncast is sponsored by. Nope. Yeah, I thought it was. We should do an on-road Guncast, bro. Yeah, should do it for an on-road Guncast. Oh, you said that? Yeah. Woo-wee. We are currently on 87, and hopefully, if no traffic, we should be there in an hour and 20. So, I've got some new music. I'd like to try some B-roll with it. So here goes the part where, like, you know, the driving thing, it gets sped up and, you know, there's like some music behind it. Here goes that part. Made it a little bit faster than we expected. Hopefully Spoon's here too. I don't know what kind of shenanigans he's up to. Buen dias! Ow! Almost broke my shoe off. Good morning, Brody. Watch where I'm walking? Oh boy. My man Frank's car, all-wheel drive, my brother. Sorry, I'll give you a hug as soon as I'm done here. Oh man, what do you got? You're almost done? Frank's car looks sick, man.
Gotta make an intake coming out the hood. Gotta make a seat bracket.
An intake coming out of the hood? Oh, for the turbo?
Yeah.
Man, you killed this. Killed this.
Everything's pretty much done. I gotta paint all this crap.
Yeah.
I'm gonna help him finish plumbing the car.
Oh, so you're gonna disassemble it and then, you know, paint everything?
This, yeah, I just pull the headlight bracket off, the bumper support /
That intake manifold is obnoxious.
A little overkill.
A little overkill.
Yeah, whoa, family.
I got touch up paint.
Let me pick it up.
We have our list of parts here. Just went over the game plan with Spoon. He's writing everything down. I kind of want to help my friend here grow a different type of demographic. I want him to be able to do quality work on basically Gunner's cars. So we're talking now. We're just conversating on how can we get your guys' cars here. So bear with me. Let us finish with this car. Check out the quality of work. If you want some reference, go back to Lefty. Check out that quality of work, and we're just gonna try to figure out how to get your guys' cars on this lift and get worked on by this man. But we're going through with a game plan. We're probably gonna have to go with an oval here, back into a 3-inch. We don't know yet. He's discussing that part with me. Floating headlight. Floating rad support.
Full exhaust.
Full
Line
exhaust.
up all the body panels. Start buttoning up all the detail stuff.
Mm-hmm. Weld up the traction bar onto the radiator.
Probably gonna make some brackets so it bolts to the traction bar, just because you already ran the wire through it.
Yeah, awesome.
I don't wanna burn the wire.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
So I'm trying to come up with something that bolts on, maybe something that we can start mass producing for guys that don't want to weld brackets to
Oh
the
yeah, that's
traction
great.
bar.
Yeah, absolutely. Because I'm getting this for them on a discount soon. They know exactly what fittings and how much line to get. And then now if you make this like a bolt-on bracket kit, they don't need a fabricator. They can do their own radiator at home. That's a great idea. So wait
Work
for
on
that
that.
one. Yeah.
We're gonna do. I made a set of floating headlights for Joe's car, but Joe's car already wide front end. Already didn't fit the greatest. Since this is a stock front end, I can make the floating headlights to fit real nice, and then make the jig off of those.
Nice. And you'll
I'm
be
gonna
able
try-
to sell those.
I'm trying to work
Self-loading
on those. I
headlights.
have the EG ones. They need a little.
Yeah, I
tweak.
remember that jig that you made.
I gotta tweak those a little bit, but I haven't made the EK ones. People hit me up for the EK ones.
Yeah. Well, there goes the platform here on this car.
Hood latches, cut the hood for the intake.
Yep, we're gonna have to skin that. Yep. That's why I didn't want to paint the hood.
Plus, I want to cut what we just need.
Exactly.
I don't want to skin the entire hood.
Yeah. But Kobe's in good hands, man. In a couple of weeks, I'll try to get here maybe once a week, give some updates. Follow him on his Instagram. He's gonna start.
I'm off next Friday.
You off next Friday? Sweet. He's gonna start. I'm sorry for this long clip, guys. He's gonna actually start. I told him post up updates of the car. So Spoon, just like the Spoon, just like Spoon in Japan, SPOON 860. He's gonna be posting a lot of updates. I'm gonna be busy with Project Driver and doing stuff like that. But again, we have everything here in sections. We've got all our UJs and velocity stacks and V-bands and hood latches. I've marked the boxes, driver side door, driver side door, passenger side door. These $100 headlights is what I'm using for mock-up until the CTRs get here. And there goes our muffler. So we'll be in good hands, man. Check out Jamie's new motor car. This thing is beautiful.
There's a cop on my road doing construction.
Sheesh.
I was like, yo, you got a shop at
This is Jamie's M1 car. Must be nice to have money, right, Spoon? Two all motor cars. What are we doing wrong in life? Huh?
Not Jamie Martin.
So this used to be Jamie's turbo car, and he just went AWOL. He bought like everything carbon fiber, and he's getting ready for a big race this weekend. So wish my boy some luck. What's the record on M1?
I think it's 39.
Is it?
We're not gonna be able to get it in this weather. But
Nah, that's a lot of heat, right? Is it really a 39? I thought it was a 41.
I think Pagano went 39. I think.
Oh,
Or it might
okay.
have went 40. I think it went.
Okay. Got to get that record before the end of the year, bro.
We'll get it.
My man.
He's a good job with that.
Yeah, let's do this.
Wow. Great job. I like how you set up that radiator.
I wanted to just, for simplicity, we take the training out so we can actually take water lines off and everything.
That's badass. Gunners, we're back at the garage. We are finished for today. Thank you, Vicky. My man. So we'll just wait on some updates from Spoon as far as Kobe goes. But Project Driver, come on, get the lighting right. You get the gist. Project Driver. I get some more GoPro mounts this week and just start setting up angles exactly to where I'm going to keep them for the driving tutorial. So, like as usual, like, comment, subscribe. As usual, let me start that over. As usual, my brothers and sisters, my gunners, my subscribers, like, comment, subscribe.
It's fucking blazing out here.